Good morning. Today is Friday, October 24th, 2025. I'm here at the Venetian Condos. This is Clubhouse. I haven't yet cleaned it. I just wanted to go ahead and make a note here. I guess with all of the rough winds that we've had in the past 2 weeks or so, your boat has actually broken a tie off right here to the floating dock. You still have 3 spots that are tied off though, but this does cause a little bit more of a hazard for us divers when we come out and clean it. If it's even more windy than normal, it could get a little too dangerous for us to clean your boat. Just letting you know, this may be something that you guys want to get fixed, whether it be the condominium that is the responsible to get it fixed, or you as a boat owner. Not sure how that works, just wanted to make a note of it.